Hasn't been plowed yet. We're always the last one since I live on a dead end. Anyways, guys, it's Rudy's Lawn Maintenance. Give me a call. 314-5402. See you guys later.